Hi everyone, I'm Sherika Hapuarachchi and I have more than 20 years experience in teaching mathematics for primary and secondary students. This is my YouTube channel Math Plus. Today we are going to learn one part from data handling. Now when we get this lesson data handling, we can learn many more new terms from this lesson. So today we are going to learn 4 new terms from data handling. Now, these are the 4 new terms we are going to learn. Mode, I will explain it later. Mode, median, mean, and the range. So what are the 4 terms we are going to learn? Mode, median, mean, and the range. To explain these 4 terms, I will get one example. So this is my example. I'm going to take some set of data. These are my set of data. Right. Now I have taken 10, 40, 30, 10, 20, 10, and 30. Now in this set of data, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers, right? So first we'll find mode. Now mode means the highest occurring number. The highest occurring number we called as the mode. So according to this set of data, I have number 10, 1, 2, 3 times. Number 40, I have 1 time. Number 30, I have 2 times. And number 20, I have 1 time. So my number 10, I have 3 times. So that's the highest occurring number. So according to this set of data, my mode is 10. Okay, so that is how we find the mode. That's my first one. And then I'm going to find the range. The range means the largest number or the largest value minus the smallest value. So according to this set of data, my largest value is 40. And my smallest value is 10. So I have to find the difference between 40 and 10. So 40 minus 10, I get 30. Now, up to now, we have learned 2 terms from data handling. What was the first one? Mode. Mode means the highest occurring number. So how do we find the highest occurring number? When you get set of data, you identify which number appears most. So according to this set of data, you have 10 more than the other number. So therefore, according to this set of data, my mode is 10. Then to find the range, you have to identify the largest value and then you have to identify the smallest value. Then you have to find the difference between those 2 values. Now, according to this set of data, my largest value is 40 and the smallest value is 10. So 40 minus 10, it's 30. So we have learned the mode and the range. Now let's move to the other 2 terms. Now for those 2 also, I'm going to use the same set of data, right? Now my third one, I will take the mean. Another name for mean, we can say the average. So how do we find the average? You have to add all the terms and divide by the number of terms. So this is what we are going to do. So first step is you have to add all your terms. So that is how we find the mean or the average. So now I'm going to add 10 plus, 40 plus, 30 plus, 10 plus, 20 plus, 10 plus 30. So then I have to see how many terms are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have to divide it by 7. Now I'm going to add this. 10 plus 40, it's 50. 50 plus 30, 80. 80 plus 10, 90. 90 plus 20, 110. Then 120. And then 120 plus 30, 150. So if you want, you can write as this improper fraction. But you can simplify this and get the value. Now I'm going to divide 150 by 7. Inside 1, I don't have any 7s. So I'm taking the first 2 digits. So inside 15, when I get the 7 times table, 7, 14, I have 2. 7 times 2, it's 14. 15 minus 14, it's 1. Now you take this 0 down. Inside 10, you have 1. 7 times 1, it's 7. 10 minus 7, it's 3. So if you want, you can write as a mixed number like this. 21 and 3 out of 7. Or else you can simplify further, right? So I will get the decimal. Then inside 30, I have 4. 7 times 4, it's 28. 2 remain. So inside 20, again 2. Or I can write 21.42. So that is my mean. Now I will explain again how I found the mean. Another name for mean, we can say average, right? Another name for mean, we can say average. Now I'm going to find the mean of this set of data. This is what we have to do. You have to add all the terms and divide by the number of terms. So 10 plus, 40 plus, 30 plus, 10 plus, 20 plus, 10 plus 30. So I have added them. 10 plus 40, 50, 80, 90, 110, 120, and 30, it's 150. I have 7 terms, so I have divided by 7. If you want, you can write as an improper fraction like this, or you can write as a mixed number. So we call this is the improper fraction. If you want, you can write as the improper fraction or a mixed number. Or you can write the value with a decimal, right? So now here 150 divided by 7 or 21, 3 over 7 or 21.42, right? Up to now we have found how to find the mode. Mode means the highest occurring number. Then we identify the range. Range means the largest value minus the smallest value. Then we identify the mean. Mean means the average. Another name for mean, we can say average. And how do we find the mean? First, you have to add all the terms and divide by the number of terms, right? Now, let's move to the last part. The last part is the median, right? Median means the middle number. So before we find the middle number, you have to do one thing. You have to arrange this number either in the ascending order or in the descending order. So normally we arrange in the ascending order, small to big. Right now I'm going to arrange. I have three tens. Then I have 120, 230s, and 140. You better count and see whether you have the same number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. Now, when we are going to find the median, you can use both methods, there are two methods, but the first method, of course, it is just a cutting method. It's not a standard method. So therefore, for the exam, when you are using, you better use the second method. But I will explain the first method. That method is called the cutting method, right? It's not a standard method. So what you have to do, you start cutting one from front and one from back till you get the middle number. Again, one from front and one from back. Up to here, I have cut two numbers from front and two numbers from back. Now again, I'm going to cut one from here and one. So then I will get my exact, the middle number. So this will be my median, right? So that is called the first method. Now I'm going to use the second method. Now in the second method, what you have to do, you count and see how many terms are here. We have counted, we have 7 terms. So then you have to add 1 to that. Okay, so we have 7 terms. This is the number of terms you have. Then you add 1 and this answer you divide by 2. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2. That means the fourth term. So fourth term will be your median. Now what you have to do, you see which one is the fourth term. First term, second term, third term, and the fourth term. So according to this, what is my fourth term is 20. That means our median is 20, right? So today what we have done from data handling, I mentioned earlier even, in data handling there are many new terms we learn. I have explained 4 terms from data handling. The first term what we have used, the mode. Mode means the highest occurring number. Then the second one, that was the range. Range means the largest value minus the smallest value. Then we identified the mean. Another name for mean is average. So how we have calculated the mean, you have to add all the numbers, or you have to add all the terms and divide by the number of terms. So then in that method we have identified the mean. And finally, we have identified the median. So median means the middle number. When you want to find the middle number, the first step is you have to arrange these numbers and then find the middle number. So we learned 4 terms: mode, range, median, and the mean. If you have gained any knowledge from this video, please do subscribe and share with your friends. We'll meet next time.